this is such a special month. This is also a month where we celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ. And yet in the book of Romans it says, how can one hear without someone is sent to them? Our generation is highly privileged to live in such a time as this, that we get to hear and watch the senior prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa. Baba has not only introduced us to the Word, he has introduced us to the God of the Word. That in itself would have been very rare in our generation. But we happen to be part of a highly favored remnant that don't just hear the Word, but experience the Word. For those who pay attention and those who are synchronized in the Spirit, we have been privileged to experience heaven on earth. Baba, on this day, on this special month, we are grateful that you bring heaven to us. Through your ministry, the invisible has become visible and the impossible has become a possibility. There is nothing we are unable to conquer. No plans from hell that we are not able to have dominion over.
The grateful heart from the Revived Nations family, we want to wish you a happy birthday, Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa.
Thank you, sir.